In this video, you will see easy method to draw semicircle in Word document like this. It's very easy. Let's get started. First, I will delete this. To draw a semicircle, go up to the insert option and you will see the option shapes. Under the shape, select this option arc. Then draw the arc like this. Click on this yellow box and attach the arc to the bottom dot like this and resize the arc properly like this. Again go up to the insert option and this time select line. Connect the line. Now to increase the thickness of the line, go to the format shapes. Under the lines option here, select solid line. Select the color black. Width, let's say here 2 points. Now select the arc. Similarly, change the color to black. Increase the thickness to 2 points like this, and now adjust the line properly. Now press shift on your keyboard, click on the arc and click on the line to select them. Right click and click on group and again click on group. So whenever you click on the semicircle, you can move it freely like this, and also you can rotate the semicircle. If this video solves your problem, comment below and let me know, and don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn Microsoft Word quickly. See you again in the next videos.